In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair a keychain remote like this, as well as a Sun-Visor remote like this, to the Logico24 motor control board. Now, the special thing about the Logico24 is that you can pair devices in sequence, which allows for more rapid and quick pairing process. So the first step for pairing the device is to hold down this button here, which is on the grey box that extrudes from the control board, and you just hold it down for 1 second. And you'll see that the red light turns on and then flashes, and during the period of time that the red light is flashing, you have a window of opportunity where you can press a button. You can press 1, 2, 3 or 4, it doesn't matter, on the remote controller, and when you press it, it will pair to the device. After you press a button on a device, you'll have an additional period of time while the light will continue to flash, and you can press a button on a new device and then it will pair too, and you can continue to do that for as many devices as you desire. So I'm going to demonstrate now. I'm going to pair both of these and hopefully you can follow along clearly. So first step, hold down the button for 1 second. Then while the red light's flashing, we'll press number 1, and then it's still flashing, and we'll press number 1 on the Sun-Visor remote. Now both of these are paired to the thing, so we'll test it out now. And the gate opens. Any of the buttons on the device, and you'll see that on the LED display it will say TEL, TEL, and then the number that you're pressing on the controller. So that's how you can check if it has been paired successfully.